It's 7 o'clock in the morning. I get up and make myself a cup of coffee with a coffee maker. Usually, I must finish off the coffee right away so that it will not cool down so long and taste terrible. But now, this brand new thermostatic bottle completely solves my problem. Hi, dear friends from Kickstarter community. Here's a really insulating bottle for you. It can maintain the real temperature of the liquid according to the set value. For clarity, let's have a simple test. Set the temperature at 130 Fahrenheit degrees. It's now 7:15. I have to make some preparation before I go out. Okay, everyone, it's now 8:15. You can see that the coffee bottle is still steaming. Let's test it with a thermometer. Look, the temperature is the same as the set value. We made it! Why can't we overcome common shortcomings like poor heating effect and large temperature difference of drinks? It's quite simple. This thermostatic bottle is designed with an independent temperature sensing system to detect the change of liquid temperature in real time. With the built-in heating technology, the heating power is adjusted through temperature changes, thus controlling the temperature of the drinks precisely and allowing us to drink at the temperature we set at any time. Fashionable and simple design makes the thermostatic bottle perfectly fit with any environment, such as the office where we often drink a lot of coffee to maintain energy. During conference calls, communication with clients, and document editing, we also need to be focused for a long time. It's so nice to have a cup of coffee at the right temperature at this time. Of course, you can put anything into the bottle, roll, extract, and adjust it to the temperature you want, and then enjoy it. Our thermostatic bottle supports 4-gear timed shutdown up to 8 hours. It can eliminate the risk of forgetting to turn off the heating function and burning out the thermostatic bottle all the time. The bottle base is designed to prevent scalding, a pain point of the traditional coaster. After drinking, with IPX7 waterproof design and weight equal to that of the same mug, the bottle can also be easily cleaned up manually or via dishwasher. Whether in life or daily work, this thermostatic bottle perfectly matches with your living habits and offers you a better quality of life. We need your support.